So I thought I'd do the videos to not only document my experience, but to give a reminder for people that want to invest out of state. As you can see, the property behind me, they finally installed security doors. I would highly suggest that if you buy a abandoned property or a vacant property, because what ends up happening is that it's easier for people to knock the door down, but if you have a security gate on it, it actually prevents them from, breaking in. It's actually a lot. It's basically, if they wanted to break in, they could, but it kind of prevents it. So that's one thing I want to talk about. The next thing I like to talk about is some of the things you should know. I'm going to start walking slowly to the back of the house. Ooh, it's kind of windy out here. So I'm going to walk to the back of the house. I still haven't figured out who boarded my windows, but whatever, I don't care. One of the things I want you to remember if you ever buy like a tax deed, a tax lien property, the most important things that you want to do is do a home inspection, so you'll know exactly what needs to be repaired on a property. So I'm going to give you a small detour of what has been done. It was so nasty in there that I could not do a video because I couldn't even get past the first floor. But this is what it looks like once it's trashed out, and I've gotten it to its bare bones, and so you'll be able to see what it looks like. So now this is the first apartment. I actually had them clean it out. It doesn't really look like it, but it looks way better than it did before. I had them pull up the carpet because we don't know what was underneath it. So I pretty much pulled up all the carpet in this first unit. And so then, dang, can't really see into here, but this is the bedroom 1. And this is the bathroom. And then this is bedroom 2. So this is the first unit. And some of you guys might remember when I purchased this property, I pretty much paid all the back taxes of the owner. I paid $12,000 for this triplex. There were renters. It's a headache. I don't know why people want to be landlords, but that's neither here nor there. And so this is the second unit. I got a question for you guys. I know I need a new sink, but should I replace these cabinets? Let me know what you think, or should I just keep them? Keep in mind, this is a rental. So should I replace the cabinets or keep them there? So this is a little bit different. I don't think I should replace these floors. You could be the judge of this. But I'm actually in a tax lien county. So for all my students or people that are interested and you're in a tax lien state, sometimes you can just contact the owner and see if they'd be willing to sell you their property for the behind taxes. So this is how I got this triplex. Like I said, for $12,000, I just paid the back taxes on the property. That's bedroom 2. Mind you, we are on the second floor. And I'm not replacing nothing in this bathroom. I know it needs doors and stuff. But give me your thoughts and opinions of what you think I should do. If I should keep these floors. I don't think these floors are that bad. So now we're going to go to the third floor. And the third floor is a studio. I don't know what I'm going to do with that floor. Any suggestions? I'd be open to them. So this is the top floor. It's completely cleared out now. And here's the little kitchen. And this is the bathroom with a nice little shower and a tub. That concludes the triplex tax lien property that I just brought the back taxes on.